Welcome to HVS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating harvesting robot with obstacle avoidance. So here you can see the harvesting blade. So we connected to the 1000 RPM DC motor as it's rotated with 1000 RPM rotations. So and interface the IR sensor, so which can detect the obstacle at a distance of 1 feet. So whenever the obstacle is detected, this robot will stop moving, and after obstacles move away, it will start moving in front direction only. So we interface this sensor and a motor to the PIC microcontroller. Sensor interfaces directly to the PIC microcontroller, and L293D is interfaced between the motor and the L29 PIC microcontroller. So this is the L293D motor driver. These two motors for forward movement. These two motors will be interfaced to this L293D IC, and L293D IC interfaces next to the PIC microcontroller. So PIC microcontroller will give the data to move these two motors in forward direction commands to this L293D IC. And coming to this relay interfaces to the PIC microcontroller and between this harvesting motor. So this is a 1000 RPM DC PM DC motor, and it giving supply. This whole system will getting supply from this 12 volt 5 amps battery. So each one set consists of 3 batteries in series. Each battery consists of 4 volt 1 amp, 3 in series, so 12 volt, and 5 in parallel, so that 5 amps. So that's why 12 volt 5 amps is a battery, and giving supply to all these motors and motherboard and to the sensor also. So we are interface one transformer. So just plug in this to the 230 volts power supply and switch on this one, and all the battery got connected here. So after switching on this particular light will glow, so meaning of the battery getting charged. So in order to charge this battery from this transformer, you need to keep this in charge for at least of 12 hours. Then only the battery will getting fully charged. And this is the main on off switch. So coming to this relay board, this is electromagnetic relay, and interface between the in series with this DC motor and the battery. And coming to this charging circuits, this is a rectifier to convert AC to DC, and a filter for filtration purpose. So then we will get the pure DC voltage to charge this battery. And coming to this transformer, this 230 to 12 volts of transformer. And coming to this motherboard, this is a reset button, and a reset button for pull up resistor, and 1000 microfarad of capacitor, and these 5 pins are used to load the program into the PIC microcontroller. So we are using PIC 16F72 microcontroller with 20 MHz of crystal oscillator. This is the 20 MHz crystal oscillator to give the clock pulse to the microcontroller, and this is the programming LED. So whenever this LED indicating the power supply and this LED indicating the motherboard is working on state. So let us see the demonstration. Just switch on the kit, automatically it will be on, and whenever the obstacle is detected, automatically the whole system will be off. As you can see this at a distance of 1 feet, and when the obstacle is moved away, then it will start moving. Right. Thank you.